Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to catch shiny Pokemon in Pokemon Go. To increase your chances of catching shiny Pokemon in Pokemon Go, keep an eye on in-game events that feature increased shiny spawns. These events often boost the appearance rates of specific Pokemon, making it more likely to encounter a shiny version. Some Pokemon spawn more frequently in specific locations known as nests. Research local nests and visit them during events for an increased chance of encountering shiny Pokemon. Field research tasks and special research quests occasionally reward encounters with shiny Pokemon. Focus on completing these tasks to increase your chance of finding a shiny. Participate in raid battles during special events, as they may feature shiny Pokemon as rewards. Legendary and mythical Pokemons are often part of these events. Take advantage of monthly Community Day events, during which a specific Pokemon is featured with increased shiny rates. Use items like lures and incense to further boost encounters. Some events increase the overall shiny encounter rates. Pay attention to event announcements and capitalize on these periods to hunt for shiny Pokemon. And that's how to catch shiny Pokemon in Pokemon Go. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.